so much. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. We will start with phonographs. Tell me the sounds, please.
Shenzhen.
深圳
I. Zhen.
盛
Shen. O. A.
oh
An.
and perfect. Okay, very well. Now try your best. Tell me the name of the picture.
Wing. Puppy. Kitchen. Fire. Wing. Snail. Net. Pet. Square.
Wheel,
Wheel. Dog.
hole,
Scare. Mosquito. Gum. Rat. Bird. Hay. Scary. Cat. Cricket. Pecker. Drinking fountain. Mouse. Dog house. Feather. Bird house. Peacock. Swan.
swan.
Swan. Duck.
Thank you so much, my dear. You did a great job with telling the name of the picture cards. Now let's go to our big video. Can you tell me the name of the video?
Fun on the farm.
Please read for Teacher Bunny. Thank you so much. Next one. Okay, here.
It is fun. It's fun at the farm. There's so much to do. We like to find grasshoppers and dragonflies too.
Can you say grasshoppers?
Grasshoppers.
Okay, good job.
We like to find butterflies and catch them in nets. We like to find caterpillars and keep them at bay.
What is this?
Best.
The pets.
We like to find ladybirds that fly with four wings. We like to find snails that lay eggs in the spring.
What is this again?
Snails.
With the S. Okay, next.
We like to find insects that move with the wind. We like to have fun at the farm with our friends.
We like to have fun at the farm with our friends. Now, so let me ask you a question. What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play with my father and my mother.
Thank you so much, dear. That's very nice that you want to play with your family. What do you play together?
I play fire rocks.
Okay, fire rocks together. Let's go to our chant. Okay, I will cover so that you will know how to answer. Okay, yes, they will. What will he see? Will he see a bird?
No, he won't. He will not. He will see a snail.
Yes, he will. He surely will. What will she pet? Will she pet a puppy?
No, she won't. She will not. She will pet a pigeon.
Yes, she will. She surely will. Okay, we will not continue. 2 cards again. Can you please let me know? We use the word will. Tomorrow. So what will you do?
I
Will.
will read a book
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yes. Again, I
I
will.
will read a book tomorrow.
Okay, very well. I will read Bansha tomorrow. Thank you, dear. Let's go to Little Turtle. Just sing it once, okay? Just sing it one time. One time. 1, 2, 3, go.
I found a little turtle hiding in the box. It's running water. We climb on the rocks. We're catching butterflies. Catching butterflies. It's running butterflies and catching butterflies. Oh, it's the light. It's the wind. It's the boat. Oh, it's the butterflies.
Okay. In here, we can see Little Turtle. A turtle is an animal. Can you please tell me what animal do you like?
I like a puppy and a pigeon.
Why do you like puppies and kittens?
Because it's so beautiful.
You think they are beautiful? Yes, they are. Teacher Bunny has a dog too. Okay, let's go to I like dogs. This is our poem. Can you please read for me?
I like both. I like wheels on the ground. I like Beatles upside down.
I can say the Beatles.
Beatles. I like those that fly on the tree. But I don't like those on me.
Okay, so as you can see here, there is a picture that the girl was bitten by a bug. Have you tried being bitten by a bug? Yes, I have. No, I haven't.
No, I haven't.
Okay, that's nice. But my dear, what bug do you like?
I like butterfly.
Oh, okay. Why do you like butterfly?
Because
And they're very beautiful, colorful, right? Many colors. Okay, let's go to our story, The Hayride. But I know that you read every day. I will pick up one card. Okay? Can you read this for me?
Come on, said Harry, hop up the wagon and sit in the hay. You going for the ride.
What is this again?
You're going for the ride.
Very good. As you can see here, Harry and the friends are enjoying their hayride. Do you want to go for a hayride?
Yes,
Do you want to go for a hayride?
yes, I do.
Okay. And who will drive your hayride? Or who will drive the wagon?
It's my grandfather.
Okay. Do you love your grandfather?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Thank you so much, Elsa. Our speaking test is already done. You did a great job. High five. I will see you next time. Bye bye.